Hi, it's Tony again. Today we're at Tait in Haverhill. This is a 25-metre test tower. It tests hoists and winches. It's a frame we put up 12 years ago for Delstar, taking it down for Tait, and we're moving it a mile to their new factory. Last week we started with taking the cladding off. We've took what we call the shed at the top, we've taken that down, and we've taken the top section of frame down that's 11 metres long and 10 tonne. We've still got one section to take down, leaving the base, and we're going to load them today onto 3 lorries and move them the mile to the new factory. The frames are 5.5 metres by 5 metres, so the load is 5.5 metres wide. For this we have an escort to the new factory and a permit to move them. SDM have got 2 cranes on site. Tim in the 60 is actually lifting the frames off of each other. Then we attach Samantha's crane, the 40 tonne, to the bottom of the towers. We do a tandem lift with Samantha lifting and Tim lowering to get the frames horizontal so we can load them onto the trucks. It's a little bit of a logistical nightmare moving such big loads on public highway in the middle of the day. We will move the 3 trucks with the load on at the same time with our crane in escort and our vehicles. We've had to do a recce on the route to make sure that there's no lampposts, bridge, overhead cables. It's taken a lot of planning. So we have a lot of men on site today, as it's such a busy, intricate day. We've got a gang moving down to the new factory with the parts, and we've got a gang staying here taking down the last of the tower, so it's all finished today. By the end of today, we'll have the 3 large sections of the towers placed on site, and next week our cladders come and clad it while it's on the floor, because when the tower's up, there's 2 sides that are not accessible, so they've got to clad it on the floor. Tait have been very accommodating. We've took over their yard. They've had to move all their steel for us. We've got an 80-foot cherry picker and a 45-foot cherry picker that we had to make room for, 2 cranes and a lay-down area for the tower when we've actually got it down. They've been very helpful. So in 2 weeks' time, we re-erect the tower at their new factory, and we look forward to doing that. This is a big move for Tait. They're moving into a massive factory later this year. Everything will be in one building, whereas at the moment they've got 2 or 3 buildings. It's a big move and it's nice to be a part of that. Thanks for joining us. Join us again soon. Watch out for updates on social media.